Hey, what's going on, guys? The name is Bg3nius, aka Crypto Genius. I produced some tracks with the Coin Bros that featured John McAfee, BitBoy, Velas, done a lot of music for different crypto companies. But today, I want to give you guys some information that I've been learning. So, there's a thing called launch pads in the crypto space, and it's been killing the game. And there's a new launch pad about to launch named Bitorbit, which is gonna be brought to you by the guys of Bluezilla, who've honestly done nothing but win, kind of like Tom Brady. I mean, everything these guys have done has either been 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 500x on some of the stuff that they've been a part of. And honestly, man, they're amazing. I mean, it's like you follow these guys, you can't lose. Again, I want to remind you guys, this isn't financial advice. It's just simply moves that I've made that have increased my way of life. So Bluezilla has a project coming that they're launching on the Velas launchpad that's called Bitorbit. It's basically a social media platform which allows users to monetize their fan base, and basically they'll be able to get crypto from viewership and attention that they have been figured out a way to use blockchain technology to collect on. So they'll be launching pretty soon. I'm not going to get into too many tech details. You can easily check out the website Bitorbit if you want to find out more, and Crypto3nius is going to take it away.
Genius.
Crypto3nius, Man3faces, beats by Bg3nius. Shout out Coin Bros. Don't say we didn't warn you and educate you. Bitorbit, baby. Hey, they take your rights, it's what you forfeit. It's time you Bitorbit. Take control, break the mold. Yeah, they take your rights, it's what you forfeit. It's time you Bitorbit. Take control, break the mold. Hey, the AI really knows you. Logs every place you go to, every video, every photo. Got your bank account and your social. Don't sign away, they gon' force it. Got you thinking your info safe. Best believe your life recorded. Think you can trust them, now that's a mistake. Creating fake content with these, it's a breeze. Share your link, embedded chat in the crypto wallet. Generate revenue, that's the key. Forget the past, right and now, and they ain't never gon' control it. Value your privacy, safe and secure. Introducing Bitorbit, they take your rights, it's what you forfeit. It's time you Bitorbit. Take control, break the mold. Yeah, they take your rights, it's what you forfeit. It's time you Bitorbit. Take control, break the mold. Ayy, Bitorbit, baby. Disconnect, decentralized social media. We out here, don't say I didn't warn you. Come on.